downstairs. Okay. Pictures. Dark chocolate, black chocolate, yes. And this is where I do my hair. Do everybody's hair right here. Okay. My hooded dryer. Okay, okay. Everybody in bed. I'm just going around the house. Okay. I am going to make some more of my lemon and water. No sugar. Lemon and water. Try to keep my waist slim and trim. No surgery. I will be 54 next month. 54, yes. So I get my ice. No tummy tuck, no breast augmentation, no breast lift. My aunts and my great-grandmother, they always said, wear a bra. Wear a bra when you go to bed. And I always wore my bra. With all the babies that I conceived, yes, I wore a bra. Okay. So we had chicken fettuccine and salad. Everything is in the fridge right now. And I did cheat. I did have some garlic bread. And I am going to get some alkaline water. Everybody is saying alkaline water is better than purified water. I have my lemons in there. Lemons and water. No sugar at all. And it has been slimming down my waist. Okay. So I'm going upstairs right now. So wait a minute. What did I forget? Oh, I forgot something. Wait a minute. Okay. Okay, so I took my 2 braids out and I pretty much just fluffed my hair out. Didn't put any product in it. Just fluffed it out. Okay, I'm going upstairs. Everybody's asleep. They got work and school tomorrow. Okay. Okay. Put my lemon water here. Lemon water. Putting it there. Okay. I don't have a lot of followers on YouTube, but I have so many followers. Ooh, my ring came out. I have some followers on my Instagram, Facebook. Girl, upstairs. Okay. Wait a minute. Let me put my... Okay. I have some wigs for sale. Not gonna cost you guys a lot of money, but if you buy the wig in California, I will install it for free. But let me bring my wigs out. Okay. And I will bring all of them out. Okay. This is her. This is my ombre, 18 inches, 20 inches. She is for sale. I pre-plucked her frontal, and I also bleached her frontal. Okay. She has ombre, if you can see from the back. You buy it in California, I will come to you and put her on for free. Okay. That's one of them. Then I have another wig that I pretty much customized. She has bangs, and I cut her. She is 16 inches. And the last one that I have, oops, girl, please, is my Barbie. And she is an ombre pink. Just semi-plucking, not too much. And she is a 18, 20 inch. Okay, so these are the 3 wigs that I have on sale. They start from $125 to $250. So, come on, girls. Get that back to school look. Get that back to college look. Get that in the club look. Yes. And if you're in California, Southern California, pretty much South Central LA, and a vicinity less than 100 miles, I'll put it on for free. Hair by Edie. Hair by Edie. Hair by Edie. Good night, you guys.